Diary. So for today we're going to... Mom, where are we going?
Vietnam.
We're here at the lounge. So I got this bun. Anong tawag dito? Bun? Dinner rolls. And siomai. And this. And then we go. Kasi di ba lang ba't ganun yung lasa ng coffee? And then this dessert. So cute. And then, Mom, what did you get?
This is seafood soup, but this is kind of red. The garden salad.
And then,
The watermelon, and then the bread.
yeah. See ya!
I'm not sure. Nag-repeat.
Some more food. Meron na silang halo-halo. Meron mukhang malungkot. They're giving us food and water kasi may nagantay. They're giving away mamon or Oreo or mamon and Oreo and then water kasi super dilim. Grabe day, pagod na ako. Kakaantay, antok na. So, mapapakiramdam ko sa coffee jelly na SB. Hi guys, so we're here na sa airport. It's currently 12:30. Di pa kasi nag-update yung sa phone ko. So, yeah. Bye! Good morning, friends! So, breakfast time! May isang tulad eh. My voice cannot. The breakfast is chicken noodle, fruits. What's your food, Mom? Scrambled, bacon, sausage, egg, fruits, coffee, and tea. Hi friends! So, pinapanood niyo ako guys. Hiya ako, wait lang. Hi friends! So, we're now here sa Lake Hongwan Kem Lake. Correct me if I'm wrong sa pronunciation. But yeah. So, ito yung first punta namin first tourist attraction for today. Wala pang 10 minutes, sobrang haggard ko na. Ang init box. Ay, look at my earrings. So cute. Share ko lang. So we just went sa temple and it's so hot. Tapos, ang dami nagpapicture sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung dahil lang ba may camera ako or what. Pero, binibigyan nila sa akin phone nila. Tapos, nagpapicture. Pero yan. So, we're just walking around here. Kulit nga ng POV ko like, camera. Tapos, yung GC life ko. Hindi na ako tita. Hindi na pa may pay yung dala ko. GC life na. Kasi it's so hard. And I can't. So, feet check. Cause, look. It says gold digger, not gold digger. And so cute. We're here. We're gonna try. We're in the cafe kung saan my famous egg coffee. So, I ordered iced egg coffee, which sabi ko, wait and try kasi weird, pero I changed my mind. And, Mom, what did you get?
Passion fruit bean, jasmine.
Jasmine. Taste test. Wait, I'm gonna try Mom's drink first. Okay naman. Next, I'm gonna try the egg coffee. Sabi ko, hindi favorite siya.
Where do we pay? Sa baba? Haluin mo ata.
Hindi naman lasa eh. Hindi naman siya lasa eh. It's yummy actually. It's yummy. Tapang ng coffee. It's actually yummy. It just sounds weird, but it's yummy. By the way, guys, their bestseller is hot egg coffee. But since we get sa Hanoi, I ordered iced egg coffee. Kasi isip ko hot iced coffee. This is still iced coffee. Sana yun na iced coffee. Iced egg coffee.
Iwa ka mo yung soap.
Traffic, just like in the Philippines. Oh my gosh. Cute ang sinasakyan namin. Hindi siya nagtutulak ka. Nagbabike siya. Hindi naman siya inaalipusta.
Just like stationaries.
Where? Three, two, one, go. Hey guys, we're gonna eat lunch. We're gonna eat lunch now. Oh my gosh, my face is so... It's 2:09 p.m. local time, right? And we're gonna eat lunch here at... I don't know kung saan. Basta, dito sa Hanoi. Look at the view. So, not me. The view is so nice. See? Hi, Mom. We ordered mixed spring rolls and authentic stir-fried rice noodles with seafood. So, hi guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-eat. Sabi nito, yung nag-serve, mabait siya. Mag-review daw kung okay lang daw ba mag-review ako. So, mag-review na ako. Anong subject ba gusto niya? Charot. So, yeah. Mabait siya. May kita, nakifeel ka nakita niya na siya. Ay, hindi ko feeling. Kasi nilagay ko talaga. Nandun siya sa video, sa una. Basta yung guy na blonde na naka-green. Siya yun. He's super duper nice and great service. Oh my God! Kala mo talaga siya. Tapos, yan ang yakabad sa camera ko, ganyan. Mabait siya. He likes taking photos din pala. That's why he asked. Kasi, meron daw siyang film camera and mine is a digicam. Diba? Tama ba? Tama ba ko nung sinabi? O, inulul ko lang siya. Charot. But the food really tastes good. Super. That's how they kilo here. So good. Why are you sad?
Because the train passed by, I did not see it.
Yeah, the train passed by a few minutes ago. At puwet na lang ang nakita. Nakita mo na naman yun sa Bangkok eh. Right? Ay! Bangkok yun, di ba? Yeah. We just went there noong December. So, we're now here at St. Joseph Cathedral. Papakabait muna ako kasi ang dami na i-imbriar na sa akin. Charot. Lagi na lang kasi pag pumupunta kami sa Asian countries, ang susungit ng mga tao. Sa Philippines, ako ang pinakamasama. Joke. Charot. Masayo, nakakainis. Ang susungit na lang. Eh di wow, masungit din naman ako. Joke lang po, mabait po ako. Bye.
Một bố được anh em.
Yeah, finally, that's the end of this first part ng aking Vietnam Diary. Vietnam Diary, hindi ko pa nga alam ilalagay kong title ng vlog na to. Ang init box! Haggard na. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And stay tuned for more! Bye!